We've learned to build a solid list, and now it's time to monetize that list so you can make yourself some money. This, my friend, is the ultimate goal of any list builder. And in this final lesson, I'm going to show you how to put your email schedule together so you can maximize your work. If you've been taking action so far, I want to congratulate you. Today's lesson is actually a bit of a bonus because we're going to touch on email marketing and management. Why? Because if you build your list, you most certainly want to make money from it. And today, my friend, revolves around writing emails. You may be wondering what type of emails you should be sending to your list. And like traffic, there are two that you should focus on. They're relationship building emails, which I highly recommend, and promotional emails to make money off of. How often should you mail your email subscribers? There's actually no definitive answer or definite answer to that question. Many internet marketers email their lists on a daily basis and find it most profitable. However, there's a danger in doing this because you can exhaust your list until they stop reading and mentally block your emails because you're emailing them too frequently. Based on my experience, and I want to stress my experience, you should email your list about 3 times a week. You can mix it up. It could be one promo email and two relationship building emails, or vice versa. But whatever you do, build a relationship first. This way you don't burn out your list by sending them emails all of the time. Now on to the topic of writing those killer emails, we're going to talk about relationship building emails. Think of this type of email as a warm-up. The more your subscribers warm up to you, the more they like and trust you, and the more they're likely to buy from you. Now remember that without that trust, you won't last a day in this business. That's why relationship building emails are so crucial, especially when your subscribers just join your list and know absolutely nothing about you. Now when it comes to promotional emails, these type of emails are pretty easy and fun to write. At least I tend to think so. Really, you can write about anything as long as you compel the reader to click on your link. That is really the only goal when sending out a promotional email. So always make sure that that's exactly what your email is doing before you send it out, is promoting something or building up a relationship with them. I'm on the list of some of the top copywriters and marketers in the game. And I can always tell when someone's trying to sell me something versus when someone's trying to tell a story. And can I be honest? I really like the storytelling emails a whole lot better than the promotional emails. I'm sorry, the promotional emails rather than the ones that they're trying to just make money off of. Because I was on a list of a few people that may email me every single day, and they were kind of arrogant and cocky about it because they were like, well, if you don't like it, unsubscribe. And guess what? I unsubscribed because I got tired of hearing from them every day, ranting, raving, and some of them even cursing. And they were saying that that's just who they were. Well, if that's just who you are, then that's just who I am, and I don't have to or have to listen to what it is that you're sending out every single day. So find that sweet spot between relationship building emails and promotional emails because I know I just went on a little rant. And you'll be fine. Trust me, you will be fine. There's an old saying in list building that on average you can make $1 per subscriber you have on your list per month. That means you'd make $5,000 per month if you had 5,000 subscribers on your list, right? Well, that's not entirely true. To reach the $1 per month per subscriber point takes time and it takes work. You don't achieve this milestone if you bombard your list with promo emails day in and day out. A lot of the so-called quote-unquote gurus will tell you that you can just throw up some emails, email the mess out of your list, and the money will just come pouring in. Well, I beg to differ, and I'm telling you that that's not the case. However, if you apply a great mix of relationship building emails and promo emails, and you find that sweet spot where you work them in together, then it's very possible. Now we're going to talk about the general formula for you to make $1 per subscriber per month. First, we want to build a good relationship with your list. And this goes without saying. Let them know that you're a real person, that you care about them, and that you want to see them succeed. If they feel that you genuinely care about them, then I promise you they'll spend money with you. If not, they can see through you and see you for the charlatan that you are, then trust me, they're not going to want to have anything to do with you. And they're going to unsubscribe. Number two, you want to promote high priced offers where you earn over $50. Now, I know when you're first starting out, you're going to be tempted to just promote anything to your list, and you don't want to do that. I say that because there are a lot of offers out there that you're going to see that are for $7.99, $9.99, and $27. And if it is not feasible enough for you to make decent money off of it, then why would you continue to pump it to your list? You want to promote things where you're going to make a nice little piece of commission by, what's the word that I'm looking for? By promoting things that, number one, you believe in. Can I stop right there for a minute and say, if you don't believe in the product that you're promoting, why in the world would you promote it to them? You have a lot of greedy people out there that no matter what it is, they're going to try to get it to their people and make money off of it. But if it's something that you don't believe in, then that just goes or proves the unscrupulous tactics of the person that's sending them. Why would you do that knowing that you don't believe in it, but and you're not even buying it, but you want them to buy it? And a lot of people that I was on their list, I could see through this because a lot of the times they were using swipe emails, and these are emails that were already generated, and they weren't even from the person's standpoint of actually having anything to do with the product that they were promoting, but they were using the swipe emails that everybody was using to promote the product, which means there were no feelings attached to it or anything. They were just in it to make money. So if you're going to promote high priced offers, make sure that you use them and that you believe in them. We also want to talk about promote recurring offers that make you money on autopilot every month. And this is what I like to call continuity money. This is money that you're going to make when you sleep, when you wake up, throughout the day. You're making that money because it is part of a membership site, or it's part of a monthly recurring income thing where they're paying, or the person that signed up for it is paying every month. And in doing so, that means as long as they're paying every month, then you're making money every month. And who in their right mind wouldn't like to make money every month on autopilot? I know I would. Next, you want to promote products to them that have an excellent OTO or a lucrative back end offer. Now, I'm going to spend a few seconds on this because this is pretty pertinent. I know if you're very new to this, then it's something that you may not necessarily have seen before. But if you're anybody that's part of the JV Zoo marketplace, JV Zoo is really good for this in that when you buy something from them, they take you down what we call a funnel, and in this funnel, they go from OTO one to OTO two. They go from the front end down a long list of offers that they constantly offer you on the back end. Now, can I be honest? A lot of the stuff you don't need, but some of the things are good. And if you or if you promote it and the people buy into the good OTO and then the lucrative things that are on the back end, then you stand to make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per subscriber, because they usually take you from the low end all the way up to the high end offers, and you would be surprised at the number of people that jump on the high ticket items. So if you decide to do this, it's all well and good, and it's also a lot of money in it. And last but not least, create your own products and sell them or promote them to your list. This is the number one, and I will say that again, the number one thing that you should be doing as you become a more advanced or a more veteran internet marketer. Because starting out, you don't necessarily have a list and you don't have your own products. This is why you become an affiliate to a lot of to what's the word I'm looking for? You become an affiliate of the products that you're trying to promote because you don't have a product out there right now. But once you become a seasoned marketer and you begin to promote your own things or you begin to create your own products, it is much easier and you stand to make more money because there's not a share in there. You keep all of the money. And who knows if your stuff is that good or your products are that good and they serve a greater purpose, then there are a lot of people out there that will come to you and ask, can they promote your things? And then they become affiliates for you. So it's a win, win, win situation all the way down the road. You win as the product creator, the people win as an affiliate, and the people promoting that are having it promoted to them win because you just have such great products. But the most important thing is to make sure you have a good relationship with your list. This means giving them valuable information and not spamming them with promotions all day long. If you work at it, build a bond with your subscribers, then over time, they'll be much more likely to buy from you. That's when you'll get the sales pouring in whenever you recommend products to them. You'll soon find your winning combination, and in no time, you'll find yourself hitting that $1 per subscriber per month mark, or even better.